Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to stop Facebook from tracking your live GPS location. First, tap on your menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left. A side panel will appear, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. Scroll down through the Settings options list layout until you reach the section explicitly labeled Device Permissions. Inside the Device Permissions dashboard, locate the specific configuration row option labeled Location and tap on See Info. A configuration pop-up block will appear, displaying your current access level status layout. Tap directly on the action button labeled Update Settings, then select Open Device Settings from the prompt window. The system framework will instantly redirect you directly to your smartphone's native operating system application permission control panel. Tap directly on the Location Permission Settings row and select Never or Don't Allow to permanently block the tracking rules. By severing this device-level pipeline, the application framework is fully restricted from grabbing your real-time coordinates in the background. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.